your YouTube channel, client access, see your video. First of all, your YouTube channel access give your client. First of all, click customize channel. Then first of all, click customize channel. Click the customize channel. Then next option, some wait. Next option, select settings option. See you. Select settings option. Setting option selected. Then click setting option. Setting option click completed. Then next option. Next option, permissions. Next option, click permission button. See you. Select your permission button. Then next process. Click permission button. See you next process. Next process, select invite option. See you. Select invite option. Click invite option. Then client email address. Typing client email address and friend email address. Your YouTube channel access client email address. Selected client email address. Next option, click arrow button and selected manager on editor. Selected manager or editor. Selected manager, selected editor. So selected manager option. First of all, selected manager option. Manager option selected. Click manager option. Next option, done. Select email address, client email address. Manager option selected and next option, done. Click done option. Done option click completed your access and next option, see your pending invitation, manager access, then email, client email. Okay, and save. Next option, save. Click the save option. Click save option. save option click. Completed your YouTube channel client access. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.